Question 21. Carol has a rule for a sequence of numbers. Her rule is that the next number is the sum of the two previous numbers. Use Carol's rule to write in the three missing numbers. Well, let's work backwards from the 8 to 6. We've got to go backwards, so let's just go backwards from the 8. So the 8 is the sum of 3 and 5 put together, because 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now let's go back. The 5 is the sum of the 2 and the 3 put together, because 2 and 3 is 5. Let's go back again. The 3 is the sum of the 1 and the 2 put together, because 1 and 2 makes 3. Let's go back again. The 2 is the sum of the 1 and the 1 put together, because 1 and 1 makes 2. Let's go back again. The 1 is the sum of the 0 and the 1 put together, because 0 plus 1 is 1. Now, using this logic, we should be able to see that this number 1 is the sum of 0 and this number. So 0 plus this first mystery number has got to be equal to 1. Well, it's got to have to be a 1, because 0 plus 1 is 1, and that will work. So as for the 0, this 0 must be equal to the 1 plus this number. Now, if we're trying to make 0 and we've already got 1, we're going to have minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1 gives us the 0 that we're trying to make. And finally, this 1 is equal to this minus 1 plus whatever this number is. Well, if we're trying to make 1 and we've already got minus 1, we need to have a positive 2. We need to add 2, because minus 1 add 2 gives us the 1 that we're trying to make. And there's your answers. Minus 1 add 2 gives us the 1 that we're trying to make. It actually might make more sense going the other way. These two added together, 2 and minus 1 gives us the 1, so that works. These two added together, minus 1 and 1 makes 0, so that works. And these two added together, 1 and 0, makes this one, so that works. So it does look as though they are our three missing numbers. Positive 2, negative 1, and 1.